Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
Come over to my place. Hirit sa harap, sa likod, kahit na ano pa ang posisyon, pati sideways. Sa tuwing kailangan mo, andyan na di pwedeng late. Walang saong magkahawak, yung kamay nag-meditate.
Nice.
Ang tanga!
Hello guys, today I teach you what is mass communication. So, what is mass communication nga ba? Mass communication is process of creating, sending, receiving, and analyzing message to a large audience through various form of media, such as television, radio, newspaper, and magazine. It's involved the use of technology to reach a large number of people at the same time, usually with the goals of informing, educating, and entertaining or influencing public opinion. Paano nga ba gumagana yung mass communication? How it works? First, dapat merong sender, message, median or channel, receiver or yung making audience mo, and feedback, and lastly is yung noise, kung paano magiging sagabal ba. Okay, so yung example natin sa mass communication is television news channel broadcasting a live report about syempre, ano pa bang topic natin ngayon? Yung flood control. Okay, yung sender nun is yung news channel and yung mga journalist nila. Yung message yun is about kung paano ninakaw ng mga contractor yung pera ng bayan natin. Okay, yung media naman is yung television broadcast. Yung receiver, milyon tao sa bansa natin na nakikinig sa bahay nila tungkol sa flood control project. Yung feedback naman, kung ano yung reaksyon ng mga taong bayan sa nalaman nilang ulat tungkol sa pagnanakaw ng pera ng mga kontraktor. Okay, syempre, ano ba naramdaman natin doon? Nagalit, nainis, gusto natin silang ikulong agad kasi nahirapan tayo sa baha na habang sila ay nagpapakasasa sa pera ng bayan. Through this process, mass communication helps inform public, shapes opinion, and influence decision making on a large group of people. So, ayun lang guys. Ayun lang ituturo ko ngayon about mass communication. Okay guys, thank you. Bye-bye! See you next meeting.
Sir, tapos na po.